Good morning children, this is Sumalata, Master Teacher of Kakatiya Public School. Today we are going to learn problems in parameters topic. Perimeter. Yes children, these are the problems here. Some shapes I gave here. For these shapes we need to find its perimeter. Find the perimeter of given shapes. So first shape you see here. Here you see solution I am writing here for the first shape. See here. Here I am taking this point as a and this point as a B and this point as a C, D and here E and here F. Now perimeter means what here? Length of the boundary side. Here boundary side here A, C, perimeter is equals to, for the given figure, AB plus BC plus CD plus DE plus EF plus FA. So these are the sides children. So we need to add its length here. And what is the AB length here in the given figure? 2 centimeters. Plus BC length here 1 centimeter. Plus CD length here 1 centimeter. Plus DE length 2 centimeters. Plus EF length 1 centimeter. Plus FA length 1 centimeter. These are the given measures children here. Come on, let's add the perimeter here. Let's add the given numbers. Now 2 centimeters plus 1 centimeter is 3 centimeters. 3 centimeter plus 1 centimeter is 4 centimeters. 4 centimeter plus 2 centimeters are 6 centimeters. 6 centimeter plus 1 centimeter is 7 centimeters. 7 plus 1 is 8 centimeters. So when we are adding this all sides length, we are getting the 8 centimeters children. So the given figure perimeter is 8 centimeters. Now, yes children, let's find the next shape length here. See here, one by one. Perimeter nothing but we need to add all shapes, and here we have many sides children. While you are adding also be careful here. So I am writing the sides here. First I am taking this side. Yes children, this side length is 3 centimeters. Perimeter is equals to that side length is 3 centimeters. Plus next side I am taking here. This side 2 centimeters children. Plus next this side I am taking here 1.5 centimeters. Plus, and this side I am taking here 1 centimeters. Plus, and here I am taking here 2 centimeters. Plus, and here I am taking here 1 centimeter. Plus, and next to this side I am taking here, this side length is 2 centimeters. And here I am taking this side length 1.5 centimeters. Plus, and next side length is here you can see 1.5 centimeters. Plus, and next side length here I am taking 1.5 centimeters. Many decimal numbers are there children, while you are adding careful. And this side length is 1.5 centimeters. plus, and here 1.5 centimeters plus, and this side length is again 1.5 centimeters plus, and here 2 centimeters. So these are the given lengths, children. I have taken down. Now while you are adding, careful children, let's add the first numbers, means without decimal numbers. Come on, first I am adding here these numbers: 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 2. Yeah, I am leaving the decimal numbers children. So normal numbers I am adding here first. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 2, 11. So 11 centimeters I am getting. Now let's add the decimal numbers. I am taking here decimal numbers. Here 1.5. I'm underlining after writing the number. Why? Because many numbers are there, you will get confusion. Okay. And next 1.5 I am taking. This is. And next this 1.5 I am taking. See, after completing writing that, I am adding here. Now next 1.5. Now next this 1.5 I am taking here. And this 1.5 I am taking now. After writing the number, I am underlining children. And next this 1.5 I am writing here. And here children 2.5 here, sorry, 2.5 this length is. So next this 2.5 I am writing here. Come on, let's add this. First decimal numbers. These are all decimal numbers. Once you count here, how many decimal numbers you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and this is 8. So let's count here. This is also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 decimal numbers I copied here. Now I am adding here. Now 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 5, 15, 15 plus 5, 20, 20 plus 5, 25, 25 plus 5, 30, 30 plus 5, 35, 35 plus 5, 40 children, and 0, 4 carry, and point here. Now 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 1, 7, 7 plus 1, 8, 8 plus 1, 9, 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 1, 11, 11 plus 2, 13. So here I am getting 13 children. All decimal numbers when I am adding 13 I am getting. Now what are these numbers to add here? Now 11 plus 13. Here 11 and 13. 1 plus 3, 4. 1 plus 1, 2. Means 24 centimeters I am getting as an answer. I am getting as an answer 24 centimeters. Yeah children, next shapes. Here you can see here. Let's find a perimeter for these shapes. Come on, perimeter here. Nothing but perimeter. Let's add the all sides. And first you observe children, all sides length has given or not. All line segments length. See in this some are not given. We will write that length. How we will write means by observing, means by opposite sides observing. Here you see. Here not given children, side length. But how to write here? By observing the opposite sides. See opposite sides, this both lengths are same. You can observe here. So this length I can take as a 1 centimeter. Why? Because these opposite sides are same here. And comparing this, these two opposite sides are same. Here also not given children. So we can write this side length as a 2 centimeters. This. Why? Because these two are the opposite now here. So here 2 means here also it will be 2 only. And this opposite is this children. So here also you can take as a 2 centimeters. And this opposite is this. So you can write here also 2 centimeters. Now we got all sides length. Now we can find its perimeter children here. Perimeter is equals to, first let's start with this line segment children. I am starting with this line segment. So 1 centimeter. I'm using the different colors, children, to identify while I'm counting here. See here. Next side is this. This I'm taking. This is 3 centimeters, children. So I'm taking here 3 centimeters plus. And next to this side I'm taking. This is 2 centimeters. So 2 centimeters plus. And this side I'm taking here. This also 2 centimeters, children. So 2 centimeters plus. And this side length is 2 centimeters plus, and this side length is 2 centimeters plus, and now I am taking this side length here 2 centimeters plus, and this side length I am taking here 2 centimeters plus, and this side length I am taking as 2 centimeters given here, and this side length 3 centimeters has given, children. So 3 centimeters plus, and here has given 1 centimeter. So 1 centimeter plus, and this long side, children, this side length has given as a 12 centimeters. So I am taking here 12 centimeters. Now let's add all the given numbers. Now 1 plus 3, 4, children. 4 plus 2, 5, 6. 6 plus 2, 7, 8. 8 plus 2, 9, 10. 10 plus 2, 11, 12. 12 plus 2, 13, 14. 14 plus 2, 15, 16. 16 plus 2, 17, 18. 18 plus 3, 19, 20, 21. 21 plus 2, 1. Sorry, 21 plus 1, 22. 22 plus 2, 12, children. So here I am adding 22 plus 12. So 2 plus 2, 4. 2 plus 1, 3. So 34. So given shapes perimeter is 34 centimeters. Come on, let's add here in the figure also. You can add, children. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. 12 plus 2, 14, 14 plus 2, 16, 16 plus 2, 18, 18 plus 3, 21, 21 plus 1, 22, 22 plus 12, 34, children. So, given figure, given shape, perimeter is 34 centimeters. Coming to this problem, children, here you see, before writing the perimeter, once you observe, did they given all sides length or not? Here in the given figure, all sides length has given, children. So now start adding here. Now I am taking here this side length, children. So 8.5 centimeters plus, and next this side length I am taking here 6 centimeters plus, and this side length I am taking here 6 centimeters. Plus, and this side length I am taking here 2.5 centimeters plus, and this side length I am taking here 2.5 centimeters plus, and here I am taking this 3.5 centimeters. So given shape, all sides I have taken, children, all sides length I have taken here. Now let's add the all sides. Now in this some decimal numbers we have and some normal numbers we have. Let's add the normal numbers first. These are the normal numbers. First I am adding these numbers. So 6 plus 6, 12 centimeters here. So I am writing here 12 centimeters. Plus, now I am taking beside the decimal numbers and you can add here, or else if you know very well in additions, you can add directly also here. So here I am taking here 8.5 first. After completing this, I am underlining here to avoid the confusion. And next I am taking 2.5, children. So I am underlining here. Now next number is 2.5. So here I am underlining. And here next number is 3.5. here. Means now you can check here all numbers has given. Normal numbers 12 centimeter 6 plus 6 and the decimal numbers I have taken here and I am adding here. Now 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 5 15, 15 plus 5 20, 0 2 carry here. And 2 plus 8 10, 10 plus 2 12, 12 plus 2 14, 14 plus 3 15, 16, 17. So here I am getting 17 for decimal numbers. So here 17 centimeter, 70.0 nothing but 17 only here. And now we can add these numbers here. Perimeter is equals to 12 plus 17. If you know you can add, or else you take that numbers beside 12 and 17 and you can add children here. Now 2 plus 7, 9. 1 plus 1, 2. So here I am getting 229 centimeters. So 29 centimeter is a perimeter of the given shape. Yeah children, I hope you understood the problems of perimeter children. Come on, now I gave some more two more shapes I gave as a worksheet. Come on, you find here, you observe here first one here given shape and different sides length I have given here. To get the perimeter you need to add all sides and this also you see children, second one I give different shape. So you need to find its perimeter children. Thank you.